Black Canary is known for her exceptional fighting abilities and her iconic sonic scream. She has often teamed up with other heroes, including her partner Green Arrow. Black Canary also serves as a mentor to younger heroes, guiding them on their journeys. Her bravery and determination make her a symbol of hope in the fight against crime. Black Canary's adventures are filled with challenges, but she always rises to the occasion. She embodies resilience, showing that even in the darkest times, hope can emerge.